AC Weatherland. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, an interesting weather pattern across the area. Strong winds locally picking up overnight tonight, feeding severe storms and a tornado outbreak that is ongoing into Texas and Oklahoma tonight. And those strong winds also causing some issues along the coast. More on that. And then we have a little bit of a heat wave on the way. And on top of that, tropics, we have a new named system. We'll see if it's in the show, though, because I didn't get a chance to quality control the show beforehand. So let's go ahead, get into it, and see what we have. First off, let's start off with some beautiful flora and fauna. Darius Johnson getting a shot today. Nice little breeze out there today, but the breeze really picks up tonight into tomorrow, and that will cause some issues mainly along the coast. So let's kick it upstairs. Look at the satellite imagery. Severe weather, tornado watches from Texas all the way into Arkansas. Main hit zone is going to be portions of Oklahoma and Texas into the early evening hours, where the rare high risk of severe weather is posted by the Storm Prediction Center from southwestern Oklahoma through Oklahoma City and just near the Wichita Falls area as well. And we can see on the radar this evening we have a number of tornado warnings going from north of Oklahoma City to southwestern portions of Oklahoma. A couple of good-looking cells here, one producing a possibility of a tornado in the Spur area of Texas. Some may know where that is. And then just north of Childress, severe thunderstorm warnings getting into Oklahoma. Tornado right here. This one was spotted outside of Mangum, Oklahoma. Pretty good looking rope there. And these tornadoes could be long tracked, long-lived, and very intense, EF3, EF4 or higher, so severe weather there. But for us, we're just seeing an increase in the southerly winds and southeasterly winds across the area, and that's allowing for some coastal issues. A few showers, storms over toward Baton Rouge and off to the north, but that's where they will stay and diminish this evening. We're not expecting any significant rain here locally, but with the winds, coastal flood advisory for Vermilion, Iberia, and St. Mary Parish, and that's also holding up the water in on the Atchafalaya in lower St. Martin, so that's why those water levels will stay high. The tides are going to come up another half foot or so, so that could even bring the water up a little bit higher, even down in the Stevensville area. And then a coastal flood warning for water certainly coming up a couple of feet, 1 to 2.5 feet across portions of perhaps Highway 92 and coastal communities. In the tropics, yeah, it's in the show. This is the first tropical system of the season. This is tropical or subtropical storm Andrea. Here's the forecast track just coming in. It's going to be a short-lived system, fall apart, but here we go. First name system of the tropical season. By no means does this mean it's going to be a busy year. That makes it 5 years in a row we've had a storm named in May. Meanwhile, it's all going to be about the storminess on land from Texas into Oklahoma through the late night hours tonight and through the wee morning hours tomorrow. Oklahoma City, the threat of not only severe weather but heavy rainfall, and those storms just brush near the Dallas area by first thing tomorrow morning, then up toward Tulsa, approaching Fort Smith, and locally here we start out with partly to mostly cloudy skies but go mostly sunny with a sun and cloud mix throughout the day. Temperatures getting well into the 80s, heat indices into the low to mid 90s tomorrow afternoon, and looks good for drive time. Few showers popping up to our west, but we'll keep rain chance at about 10% locally into tomorrow evening. And after Wednesday, a 10% there, we're not going to see rain chances, significant rain chances for the rest of the 10-day forecast. So warm and humid overnight tonight. Fortunately, we have that breeze, but 76 the low is what I'm going with in Lafayette. Tomorrow, upper 80s once again, and then tomorrow night, mid to upper 70s, and then going into Wednesday, even hotter. And notice that heat index pushing the upper 90s. But tomorrow we get relief from the breeze, except along the coast as we've been mentioning. But gusty southerly winds at about 15 to 17, gusts to 27 to 30 tomorrow afternoon. So it will be a windy one for tomorrow. So a tropical night ahead with that tropical breeze, warm and humid, few passing clouds. Hard to say when you're trying to say it fast. 89 the high tomorrow. Should be on the cooler side of 90 for sure with those strong southerly winds, but we begin to lose those winds. It still stays breezy Wednesday, but here we are hitting 90 on Wednesday. Then a ridge of high pressure builds in. We'll see temperatures reaching the lower 90s toward the end of the week and into the weekend, and maybe even pushing the mid 90s next week. So that 10-day forecast is just screaming summer, and well, the official beginning of summer starts with Memorial Day weekend, and it looks like we are right on track for that.
Hello, summer.
Yeah,
Yes.
hello.
But at least it'll be dry after such a wet May. We need some time to dry out for sure. But then we'll be watering lawns in 10 days.
And it'll be
Facts.
hot.
Right, exactly.
All right. Thanks, Rob.